Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture. So welcome to my new series of tutorials where I am using multicolor Photoshop brushes like you see here to make really fast and easy digital backgrounds like this one. And it just takes a couple minutes. So let's get into it. First of all, let me go into a new document here, and I am getting this brush that I absolutely love. It is Jungle Love brush number 16. And we're using my multicolor technique, and we are using a neon pastel color palette that I made available especially for my subscribers. And now let's just let the Photoshop brushes make their magic. I am just going to draw like 3 or 4 lines across here. And as you can see, all of the lovely colors are coming out of the brush. And it's always different every brush stroke. So don't worry if it's perfect. You can redo it. And what I did was I just put a little bit of a digital, I put a little bit of a gradient behind it. So I made something like this. You can download these digital backgrounds for free on my website. Check them out. If you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comments.